Hello guys, and welcome back to another Mint Minute. Today we are meeting a very special and very popular member of the mint family, lavender. Yes, I get that all the time. Lavender is a mint. It's in the genus Lavandula, which comes from the Latin word lavar, meaning to wash. And yes, this is a bar of soap. Unfortunately, my lavender did not make it in the swampy soils of Florida, but this soap is very characteristic of lavender. You see, 2,500 years ago in ancient Rome, they would actually scent their bathhouses with the oils they would extract from the lavender flowers and sometimes even the leaves. Two compounds give lavender its very floral, fresh smell: linalool acetate and linalool, which is also found in basil, a close relative of lavender. Not only was it used to scent bathhouses, but it was used for many other things, from embalming, as a medicinal plant for many ailments, as an antibacterial agent, and as an insecticide. Apparently lavender can do anything. Now that last one makes sense. Many of these secondary metabolites, many of these compounds that these plants create are used to help in anti-herbivory. And studies have shown that the lavender oil, when applied to a specific area, will keep away anything from lice, fleas, cicadas, mosquitoes. So it does keep these pests that we don't like away from us. But what about how many of us use lavender oil today as a sort of cleansing aromatherapy? In 2016, we used $76 million worth of lavender oil around the world. And our lavender use is only increasing. While there may be studies done on if lavender helps us with sleep or to find calmness, it's really hard to find any conclusive evidence that lavender has any effect on our mental health. That doesn't mean that we can't enjoy a honey lavender ice cream or all the fresh scents from our home and our bath care. And maybe aromatherapy helps you de-stress or find some peace as you work from home. Regardless, lavender is an amazing plant with some cool chemistry that we have been utilizing for thousands of years. This has been another Mint Minute, and I will see you next time.